Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record voice memos on your Poco phones. To record voice memos or like any sound, you can just go to the Recorder app. Then just click on this button right here. For the first usage, it'll ask you for your microphone, so I'm gonna click on while using the app. And now you can see as I speak, it changes right here. It records my voice, everything I say. Then to stop it, click here. You can also pause or add a bookmark. And it just records everything. You can pause it, then resume. And you can also click here to stop recording. Then click here to play. And you can see it works. You can also rename it, share it, save it as a file, or delete. I'm gonna delete it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.